Someone requested more matzah crack, so I am making more matzah crack. Yum, yum, yum. Making matzah crack. Yum, yum, yum. Making that matzah crack. Looks good. Okay, I think this is ready to be poured on to the matzah to make that yummy matzah crack. Looking very beautiful, golden caramelized. Looks good to me. And we're just going to pour it right over all of our yummy matzah. Yum, yum, yum. Make sure to get it all over. Now I'm gonna pop this baby into the oven for a little bit now that it's been coated in that yummy caramel. That smells so good. Bubbling up in the oven. Wow, wow, wow. Yummy, yummy. So now it's hot and lovely, right out of the oven. I got some chips. I'm just gonna sprinkle them right on, all over. And we gotta do this while it's real hot because then we wanna spread these chips out with a spatula very carefully, not to touch the very hot melted caramel. And the chips, excuse me, will melt right on top of the delicious caramel. Yum, yum. There we go, the chocolate is starting to melt. We can spread it all over. I added a little more of the white chocolate chips because I hadn't added too many and they kind of melted in. So now I'm going to swirl these on top. There we go. A little bit of a marbling, ever so slightly. I'm not going to mix these all the way in, just to give them a fun little effect. And then now that I swirled in the white, I'm going to give it a little topping of sprinkles and we are good to go. Ta-da! Now we are done. We just have to cool and break into pieces. And now I just broke this into some chunks and I'm going to place it in my freezer to allow the chocolate to set